Welcome to Quiz Realm, the channel where we test your knowledge. Can you pass this human body quiz? General Knowledge Challenge. Test your knowledge and see if you can ace this quiz. Will you succeed? Be careful and stay connected until the end of this quiz. Then, write to me in the comments how many you got right. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell on all notifications for more fun quizzes. Let's go. Which part of the eye controls light entry? Right, it's pupil. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Question 3. What is the main organ of the urinary system? Right answer, kidney. Which component carries oxygen in the blood? Red blood cell. What is the control center of the cell? Right, it's nucleus. What is the main structural component of the rib cage? Yes, it's sternum. What connects muscles to bones? It's tendon. Which organ is part of the central nervous system? Right answer, brain. Question 9. Which organ filters blood to form urine? Kidney. What is known as the voice box? Larynx. Which organ is located in the chest cavity? Right, it's heart. Which organ is part of the digestive system? Stomach. What is the body's largest organ? Yes, it's skin. Which organ is responsible for breathing? Lungs. Question 15. Which organ pumps blood? Right answer, heart. What is a large, flat muscle at the bottom of the chest cavity? Diaphragm. Which organ stores and concentrates bile? Gallbladder. What is the main organ of the circulatory system? It's heart. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood through the body? It's heart. What is the joint connecting the arm to the torso? Shoulder. What is the front part of the brain responsible for thinking and reasoning? Cerebrum. What is a connective tissue that connects bone to bone? Ligament. If you liked the video, hit the like button and tell me in the comments which part you found toughest. I'd love to hear from you. Which organ is the body's main organ for detecting sound? Ear. Which organ is located in the throat and helps with swallowing? Esophagus. What is a muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity? Diaphragm. Which organ is responsible for producing bile? Liver. What is the colored part of the eye? Iris. Which part of the skeletal system protects the brain? Right, it's skull. Which is a small gland located at the base of the brain? Pituitary. Which gland produces hormones? Thyroid. Which part of the ear helps in the process of hearing? Cochlea. What is a pair of organs responsible for gas exchange in the body? Lungs. What is the primary organ for filtering blood? Kidney. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating heartbeat and breathing? Medulla. What is a long tube that connects the throat to the stomach? Esophagus. Which part of the digestive system absorbs most nutrients? Small intestine. Which part of the skeletal system protects the brain? Skull. Which is the primary organ of the female reproductive system? Ovary. Question 39. Which organ is responsible for the sense of smell? Nose. What is a protein that provides structure to skin, hair, and nails? Keratin. Well, now that you're warmed up, you can start the next quiz.